Russia is the largest country in the world, spanning 17.1 million square kilometers. The population of Russia is 144 million people, making it the ninth most populous country in the world. Russia is located in northern Eurasia and spans 11 time zones. The official language is Russian, and the currency is the Russian ruble. The Russian Federation was established in 1991 after the collapse of the Soviet Union. The country has a federal semi-presidential republic system of government with a president and a prime minister. Moscow is the capital and largest city of Russia, and is home to over 12 million people. Russia has a rich cultural heritage, including contributions to literature, music, art, and science. The country is known for its vast natural resources, including oil, natural gas, timber, and minerals. Russia is a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council and a member of the G20, the Council of Europe, and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization.